Hey everybody, Frick the Tech Guru here, and today I am going to unbox the brand new OnePlus 8 Pro. But before I do that, I want to tell you why I'm switching from the Galaxy S20 Ultra to the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, I was in Florida a few weeks ago before the whole coronavirus thing got too crazy, and I had an iPhone 11 Pro and I traded it into Samsung for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. I got $700 for it. I know I could have got more, but again, I was on vacation and I didn't want to spend too much time trying to sell it, so I traded it for this. Right off the bat, I had quite a few issues with the phone. The battery life was terrible, and as you know, there was a lot of issues with the camera, specifically the autofocus. I actually put in a request to return the phone, but then shortly after I did that, I heard that they were coming out with updates that were going to fix the problem. The thing that really bugged me the most is when I took it to Disney World and the camera just wasn't performing, and I lost a lot of memories that day. But anyway, here we are 6 weeks later and 3 updates, and still the problems are not completely fixed. Now, some people are holding on to these phones and they're waiting for future updates, but for a $1,400 US phone, I just don't think that's acceptable. So I decided to get the new OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, a lot of people are also saying that this is too expensive of a phone as well. It's this one specifically that we're going to unbox was $1,000 US, which is a lot for a OnePlus phone. But I'm going to argue the fact that everyone says it's too expensive, because if you look at the specs, they are a lot better than most other flagships out there, and they're almost as good as the Samsung Galaxy Ultra as well. And if it performs better, it's definitely worth the price because it's $400 cheaper. Many people have said that OnePlus used to be the flagship killer because it had most of the specs, but it came in around $400 cheaper. This year, they're considering it a flagship because now we have the wireless charging, and we also have the water resistance and dust resistance. So without any further ado, let's get right into it and unbox this. Let's find a tool here. I'm in a wood shop, as you can see. This is my father-in-law's wood shop. You can check out his channel, robcosman.com. It's one of the channels that I manage myself. I'm gonna use one of his crosscut saws here, and we are just gonna get right into it. Now, I will tell you, this saw is not meant for this purpose. All right, so I got the launch day bundle. So it comes with a couple extra things that we'll get into. We'll get into each thing here. What's included. We'll go over each thing and we'll get to the phone eventually. Your new OnePlus is here. Congratulations, you're among the first to take home. My YouTube channel is not big enough right now to get the review unit, so if you please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Maybe someday I'll get there. All right, so what should we look at first? How about the buds? So these were free with the launch day bundle. I believe they're around $100 by themselves. Don't quote me on that, I'll find out. And why don't we open these first? I'm going to grab a chisel here. These are called the Bullets Wireless Z. They were announced at the same time as the new OnePlus. Now, you'll notice right off from the packaging, these are different than the Galaxy Buds Plus, or of course the Apple AirPods, well, any of the AirPods or the AirPods Pro. I don't even know how this opens. So I'm just going to put that there for now because I only have 10 minutes on my memory card. This is a USB-C to auxiliary port jack. This is, let's see if this opens any easier. That is a sharp chisel. Of course, it's probably made for cutting more than just plastic. Oh. So this is the new OnePlus official charger. It is a 30-watt charger. It's the most that you can get right now. I think there's a Chinese company, either Oppo or Xiaomi, that's working on a 40-watt. But most wireless chargers are only 5 to 10 watts. So this is a full 30 watts. So again, OnePlus, this is the first time that they've gone with wireless charging, and they decided to go all out on it. And this will charge as fast as a regular charger would on any other phone. This is the Sandstone bumper case. This actually wasn't part of the launch bundle, but I added it on as well. Different color. It's a cyan color. And here's the phone. Oh, I don't need the chisel. It has a nice little thing to rip it. Quite a long box, but We'll find out why here in a second. So you can see it here, nice basic packaging, OnePlus 8 Pro. I'll tell you in the back, this is going to be the ultramarine blue version. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes storage. That's a little bit different than my Ultra. The Ultra, of course, had 16 gigabytes of RAM, which many people think is overkill anyway. And it only has 256 gigabytes of space. The big disadvantage here with this phone over the Galaxy is that the Galaxy has the micro SD expansion slot, whereas this does not. Before I look at the phone itself, let's see what it comes with. It comes with its own case. So just a nice clear case. It says never settle, which is OnePlus's motto. Comes with the patented OnePlus red and white charging cable. It comes with the Warp Charge. This is, I believe, a 30-watt charger. So it's actually the same as the wireless charger. And I don't think there's anything else underneath that. It doesn't come with headphones. All right, let's take a look at the phone itself. Whoa, look at that color. So this is a matte frosted back, or frosted glass back. That's one thing I like about OnePlus. I've always found that they've had the nicest colors for their phones. And then you'll see the 4 camera system with the flash. Actually, there's a 5th camera in there, I believe, that does a color filter. Anyway, that is the phone. I'm not going to get into the details of it right now because I'm going to do a review for it probably in about 2 weeks. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Please comment and let me know what phone you like better, either the OnePlus 8 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, if you had any issues with the S20 that you want to talk about, and I'll try and reply to as many of them as possible. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. We'll see you on the next video.